Here we have a really rare piece. Here we have a Carrier round one heat pump. As you can see here, it's a heat pump for sure. Unfortunate, it's from July of 1986 here. There's your data tag. Unfortunately though, it looks like it's the disconnects in the off position, so sadly we're probably not going to get any. And this fan is actually seized on it. I'm trying to spin it, it's seized up. But you can see in there, Carlisle, what the hell is that, Carlisle compressor? I'm not really sure. But you can see it has a reversing valve. You got the fans, 4-blade. So yeah, I was really hoping this thing would be working, but I guess not. I guess it's dead. That's really unfortunate, but it's still cool nonetheless. We have a round one heat pump. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.